today we want to learn what is pi. Here is what you should know. You should know what is a circle, a diameter, a radius, and a circumference. So, what is a circle?
Your charms still resonate through the clouds of my guest room, and I stand in need of your fine bloom.
So now you know what a circle is. A line that divides a circle into two equal halves is called a diameter and represented as d. Half of a diameter is called a radius. A radius is represented as r. Next, what is a circumference? The circumference is the distance around a circle. We will therefore need to add two radiuses to make one diameter. There you go. Add the first r and the second r to get one big D. So 2r is equal to D. If we could measure the diameter with a ruler and bend it into a beautiful curve, and then place the curve just at the edge of the circle, we would see that the curve goes around the circle the first, the second, and the third time, leaving a little fraction. Remember, we said a diameter can be represented as d. So how many times can d cover the circumference of our circle? We have the first d, the second d, and the last d, plus 0.142d. Adding everything gives us 3.142d. Yeah, you got it! This beautiful number, 3.142, is what we call pi. Pi, 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 pi. So, what is pi? Pi is the ratio of the circumference to the diameter of a circle. What is the symbol of pi? You got it. This is the symbol of pi. Again, pi is the ratio of the circumference to the diameter of a circle. If we choose to call the circumference c and call the diameter d, we can write a formula for pi as c all over d. We cross multiply to get c as a term, so c is equal to pi times d. Remember, d is equal to 2r, so we can replace d with 2r. We then rearrange the formula neatly to have c is equal to 2 pi r. Let's see how this works in real life. This is a circular object. You can try this at home. Get a circular object. Place the circular object on a flat surface like a table. You will need ink. You also need a ruler to help you gauge, and you also need a cutting material like a scissors to help you cut. You also need a flexible material like a thread or a flexible cord. The flexible material will help you take the measurement around the edge of the circle. Now use your ruler to gauge exactly half of the circle, which is the diameter. Trim the edge of the cord to make sure it is straight. Use your fingers to straighten the cord. Now use your ruler to gauge the center of the circular object. And then imagine cutting the circle into exactly two equal halves. That is the diameter of the circle. Place your flexible cord on the circle's diameter. Now measure the length of your diameter using the flexible cord. Cut away any extra excesses from your flexible cord. Now we have successfully used our flexible cord to measure the diameter of this circle. Just to be accurate, we trim away any free edges.
For something shines in me.
Very good. Now we got exactly half of the circle using our flexible cord. That is the diameter of the circle. we want to see how many times the diameter goes around the edge of the circle. Use the ink to mark the starting point. From the starting point, let's see how many times our flexible cord goes around the edge of the circle. This is the very first time. We mark using our ink. From the marked points, we continue our measurement, still using the same flexible cord. The flexible cord has gone twice. We mark the second point. We continue the measurement the third time, using the same flexible cord. We mark. Now the flexible cord has gone around the circle 3 times, but there is a small fraction left. We have to measure the distance of that fraction.
Leaves of young plants and small spines. Wanted the room where you left me behind.
You see, now we have measured the small fraction. That fraction's value is 0.142.
Strive for you, baby. Oh, you left me.
So, if we want to get the entire measurement, we would add 1 diameter plus 1 diameter plus 1 diameter plus 0.142 diameter. That would give you 3.142 diameter. That would be pi. Or you can write it in formula as this. You're welcome.